You did it! Yay! Okay, what number is this?
4.
4. Are you 4 years old?
Yeah.
That's probably why you recognize the number 4. That's your number. All right, then you can choose.
Where's the
Red.
Mommy, look.
What's that? What are you making?
A pattern.
Making a pattern. What's your pattern? What's your pattern?
Red.
Green.
Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red.
How about? You did it. What number is this? What number is this? 10. Can you say 10?
10.
Show me 10 fingers. Look like this. 10. Good job. Okay, now you choose 10. Whatever color. 1.
Green.
Keep going.
Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Red.
2.
I think I need 3. What number is this? 3.
You telling her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Mitt, it's cold. Thank God.
You're gonna need more. I forget what he got the other green day, girl.
Yeah.
You're gonna give her one. Woo! What number is that? 6. Can you say 6?
6.
Good girl.
Now look, you got more. Now I got 10.
Papa, I think you put more. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10.
What? I found one. I found another one.
Another way.
What
They
number
love
is
the
this?
little
8.
simple stuff.
Mommy, this is
Simple
8.
stuff. That is 8, Papa.
Now we get 8 blocks.
Can you say 2?
2.
Good job. 1, 2.
Orange, blue, orange,
5.
5.
1, 2.
I need the other one.
There's some in there. Good job. 3, 4,
I just saved some for the.
5. You did it.
Thank